new YouTubers, small YouTubers, and young YouTubers. Where you at? Come to the front of the line. I'm waiting, come on. Class is about to be in session because we're unleashing truth right now. There's a circle. There's a circle and there's a dot. See that dot? That dot is you. It is you. That little dot in the circle. What you need to learn to understand, outside of the circle, it's too much noise. Too much noise outside of the circle. You're listening to everyone saying, oh, you should, what you should not do. And when I said everyone, I'm talking about the YouTube gurus. I mean, how do you think they make money? It's to trigger dopamine inside of your brains for you to be watching. And what are they giving you? Nothing. Giving you nothing, bro. Like, they're giving you nothing. They're giving you... You tell me what a big channel that you've been watching for years give you to grow your channel and start making a living, or even start getting anything from your channel. They're not. Come on. Channel tell you sign up for this month is $1, and then the next month it's gonna start at $22. For me to, for you to get the opportunity to see if your title is strong, to see if your thumbnail is strong. What? Seriously? Make it make sense. Make it make sense, because when I think about all of it, and let me stop for a second. If you guys go back and check all my video, I'm gonna touch all of them. Just check my channel. I haven't posted a video on this channel for over 3-4 months. Why? Because I was doing the same thing that I'm talking to you about right now. I was trying my best to listen to everything that everyone else say. I paid to be coach. I paid to get thumbnail title. I paid so I can start being seen. And I realized none of it works. It's all nonsense. It's all gibberish. It's all selling you something. And once you're paying, that's all that matters. I watch channel like vidIQ come up with smart ideas. vidIQ is an education channel. That's what their educational channel. That's what vidIQ is. But it's a business. These guys need to get paid. I mean, I don't care what. If you don't agree with me, that's fine. You drop it in the comments. Say what you have to say, because I'm gonna be honest. I used to pay for these things that I'm telling you about. Now let's jump back to vidIQ. They come up with this smart idea. Okay, we're gonna start doing reviewing channel and live. Yeah, they're gonna review channel and live. And how much channel they review on live for the 2 hours or whatnot they have been on live on what, Tuesday, or I'm not sure, because I haven't watched them in like 3-4 months. Since I stopped posting on this channel, I watch none of those channels, because I sit down and I take myself out of the equation and I ask myself the question, what am I doing wrong? Because I'm following everything that these guys are saying, but it's not working for me. And that's when I realized that I'm listening too much to the noise outside instead of focusing on me and trying to figure out what works for me and how can I establish. Because when you find something that works for you, that's your foundation. And you can't build a house by starting from the top. You have to start from the foundation. And the foundation needs to be very strong, so the other structure of the house can go on it. Because if the foundation is not strong, it's not gonna be able to withstand. You get the drift. So I take myself out of the equation and I realize what I was doing wrong was just listening to everyone and not understanding what works for me. And I was jumping from topic to topic with different channels. And I realized that you can actually attack any topic that you want. It doesn't matter what topic it is. Any topic you want to do, you can do it. But you need to know how to work it. Because if you don't know how to work that topic, it won't work for you. For you to get your topic to work, you need to understand how to approach it. Break it down in syllables and let it work for you. But if you don't know how to do that, you're wasting your time. They tell you, do what you're good at. Doing what you're good at sometimes don't mean that it's going to work, because something that you're good at probably going to have its audience, going to have its crowd, but how much crowd and how long it's going to take to find that crowd. So you got to learn how to venture out of what your comfort, you basically venture out of your comfort zone. This is what it is. Just venture out of your comfort zone and try to figure out what else can you tap into? What else can you master? Because we've been conditioned since we was young to do one thing, and that's it. You just do one thing. And that's all there is to it. But what if I tell you that you don't need to be doing just one? You can do many different things. You can try many different things. And whatever work, that's your groundwork. That's your foundation. Start from there, make it happen. Man, I'm telling you, like, I sit down and I go through all my videos. I spend I would say thousands of dollars. I wouldn't say hundreds because there's so much video on this channel. I spend thousands of dollars getting my videos edited, getting thumbnail made. And none of it work. It don't work. And the sad part about that, you're spending all this cash and you're not getting it back. You're not getting it back. So why spend it? Why spend it? So I asked myself the question, what should I do? And I tell myself I will not spend a next dollar. Editing a video, no. Getting thumbnail created for me, no. Title test, no. It don't make sense. None of it makes sense. None of it add up. And here's the crazy thing about all of this. When you watch most of these YouTube gurus and you leave a comment, the only YouTube big personnel guru that I can honestly say that I take my hat off to, I don't wear a hat, but I respect, is Nick Nimmin. He's the only person with almost 1 million subscribers. I'm not sure how much subscribers you have right now, but I know last when I was watching him, that was like 3-4 since I he's the only one that have that much subscriber, and when I leave a comment, he will respond to it. And that was a big deal for me because he respond. But at the end of the day, none of that really matters, because getting a response from a person is traffic you're sending to that person, because that's how YouTube algorithm work. YouTube algorithm work where if someone start, there's communication on that video, people start leaving comment and back and forth and likes and stuff like that, your video being pushed more. That's how it works. You know what I mean? So you got to learn how to figure out how to tell a story in whatever topic you're on. Tell a story, and you gotta, your story's going like this. Your story can't never level out. Your story need to be going and then dip, then go back up a little bit, then dip again, and probably dip. See, you're breaking dopamine, so a person saying what's coming next, and then you hit them with something from the end of the video right here, where when it dipped, they were like, okay, well, I need to stay to see that part of the video. You see what I'm saying? That's how you need to tap into this dopamine for human, because this is how it works. You know what I mean? You have to have that mentality, that mindset to just like be, you know, you understand what I'm saying. But one of the major things that you need to understand, if you can't be comfortable with yourself, you will never be comfortable creating content unless you're doing a faceless YouTube channel. But if you're doing a channel where you're sitting in front of the camera, you're talking to the camera like you're talking to a person, you have to have confidence, because if you're not speaking with confidence, it don't work. Like you're speaking, but you're not sure. Audience are seeing that. But before I go any further, I want to ask you guys a question. Tell me, leave it in the comment down below, one thing that you guys have taken from a big channel that works for you, not once, not twice, but continually working for you. I need you to tell me that in the comment down below, because I have tried everything and nothing worked. It's all for show. It's all for gain. These guys need to have you watch so they can sell you stuff, because getting the views, some niche don't pay anything, but selling you stuff and you have a monthly subscription, yes, they're getting paid, they're making money. This is where it is. That's how it works. And to be honest, I understand that it's a business, but you have to understand that YouTube is not what YouTube used to be before. It's not like what it used to be before. YouTube now is way more authenticity. Like me being on the camera with you right now, there's no cut. I'm not doing no B-roll. I'm not doing none of that. I'm just coming to you like right here. I'm telling you my experience and what I think. And if you want to grow, how you're going to be able to grow, how you're going to get there. You're not going to grow by watching these guys lying to you, trying to tell you, well, if you do this on YouTube, you will grow. If you post, it's okay, you post a 15-second short, it will blow up, it'll go viral. You post a 30-second short, it's gonna go. Your video need to be 12 minutes. Your video need to be 3 minutes. Oh, well, YouTube is now competing with Netflix, so your video need to be in, what do you call it again? However, it's like a batch. You watch one episode, the next one. Yeah. Bro, figure out what works for you and do it. Do not listen to the noise outside of the circle. Take control back of your circle. That's your secret domain. And you sit back and figure out what works for you. Because if you can't figure out what works for you, I'm telling you right now, YouTube is not for you. Not. But I didn't mean to stay this long. I have more things to come throw at you guys later on in the future. I don't know when I'm going to post my next video, but I'm going to tell you right now, this one right here, there's a follow-up, because I have a lot more talking point that I want to break to you guys, for you guys to understand where we at right now and why we don't watch certain channel no more. We focus on ourselves, and you know, we try to grow our mentality, and basically you understand what I'm saying. But guys, and I want to say this, actually I'm not even going to say it right now, I'm going to say it in the next video. But yo, I respect you guys. Thanks for checking out this video, and remember, be who you are. Be who you are. No need to be someone else. No need to pretend. None of it matters. Be who you are.